dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party on Sunday berated the State Police Command for alleged harassment and unlawful arrest to their chieftain ahead of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. Moving on after this, we have the candidate of the Labour Party in Edo State governorship election, Olumide Akpata, said that September 21st, 24 is a freedom day for the Edo people. Alright, my wonderful people, I welcome you back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. As we are given a back-to-back update and information, as it is hot. So if today your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. Hi people, the Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party on Sunday has berated the State Police Command for alleged harassment and unlawful arrest of their chieftain ahead of the September 21st governorship poll in Edo State. The party called on the international community, civil society organizations, and other stakeholders to turn their attention to the election. The party also accused the police of conniving with the All Progressive Congress (APC) to keep their members out of circulation. So, speaking at a press conference on Sunday in Benin, the state capital, the Director General of the H0T Campaign Management Council, Matthew Idiroe, said that the police had arrested Mr. H0T and Kingsley Osaho, among other persons. So why Odion Olaye, Chief Francis Inebiki, Chief Olugoya, Festus Osabovo, Kelly Idebo have been penciled down for arrest, having procured a fake court warrant of arrest. So right now, my people, Matthew is saying that it has become imperative to highlight the disturbing pattern of harassment, unlawful arrest, and the kidnap of chieftains of the Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party across the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State by some policemen suspected to be from the intelligence response team in Abuja, who are believed to have been paid huge sum of money by the All Progressive Congress. He also alleged that police officers led by a chief superintendent have been operating outside the scope of his job, wielding AK-47 rifle and other weapons, and moving around in Edo State in Homer buses and Halos van to harass and abduct party chieftains. He added that these policemen have, since the onset of their sinister operations, arrested some of their party members, including Mr. H0T and Kingsley Osaho, the Chancellor representing Wothen in East and North-East local government area, along with several others whose their whereabouts are currently unknown. So right now, the APC publicity, the director of publicity of APC in Edo State Governorship Campaign Council, Oroboso Mojo, don't come out contact say no one is harassing PDP members. So in his statement he released on Sunday, he said the People Democratic Party in Edo State has become a huge embarrassment to them with their unrelenting media attack on the Nigeria police and other security agencies in the country. That PDP has abandoned campaign to concentrate on mischievous propaganda to cover up their failure to articulate campaign strategy, which has become obvious with their dwindling members. Omojo said that Nigeria will record that the All Progressive Congress in Edo State has been under intense violence attack from the state-sponsored Edo State Security Network and public work volunteers. That it was this group that planned and murdered the security aide to Senator Mondo Obolo in cold blood at Benin City Airport exit gate. My people didn't only end there. Oroboso Mojo said that earlier that the Deputy Director General of H0T Campaign Organization had openly charged some PDP agents to attack members of the opposition in a viral video. The said Martins is now standing criminal trial for his pro-violent conduct. So right now, Mojo said that they are calling on the leadership of the PDP to cooperate with the law enforcement agency in the investigation of the various crimes that have been committed by their members. That Governor Godwin Obaseki should summarily disband the Edo State Security Network as a sign of his party readiness for a peaceful election. That, however, a top police officer of Edo State Police Command said inquiries on the matter should be directed to Force Headquarters in Abuja, not in Benin. So whatever thing PDP are saying that is not true, rather they are the one that don't want to concentrate on their campaign. They are looking for a way to destroy the people of Edo State. in order for them not to vote for APC. But it no go work. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The candidate of the Labour Party in Edo State governorship election, Olumide Apata, said that September 21st, 2024 is a freedom day for Edo people. In a statement on Sunday by the Publicity Secretary of Edo State, Sam Urukwai, Olumide Apata said that the people would finally break free from the shackles of the All Progressive Congress and People Democratic Party leadership failures. So, he's going to declare September 21st as Freedom Day for the people of Edo State. That this historic declaration marks a turning point in Edo State's trajectory. That as the people will finally break free from the shackles of the PDP and the All Progressive failures, that in the 20-year reign of the PDP and APC, they failed to provide basic necessities like quality education, world-class infrastructures, accessible healthcare, food security, and effective security. That despite receiving a whopping 16 billion monthly allocation, they accumulated a staggering 600 billion debt. That this party have nothing to show. That is the more reason that people have to vote for the Labour Party. Olumide Apata also promised to create an enabling environment for the Edo people, both in the city and rural community, to strive. He added that he will provide quality education that will equip their children for the future, the world-class infrastructure that facilitates economic growth, accessible healthcare that caters to the well-being of all, food security that ensured no Edo person goes hungry, and effective security that guarantees safety and peace. He said the election is an avenue to take back their state from failed leaders. So he is urging all the Edo people, both the one in diaspora, to join this revolution and vote Labour Party on September 21st. And together, they can build a better Edo State for all. My promise more wala. So he said, APC have failed, PDP have failed, that this is the right time for Edo people to break free from the shackles of APC and PDP. So he's urging all of them to come out in mass and vote for Labour Party, Papa, Mama, Pikin, on that day. All I want to say is this: Edo people should watch carefully and choose a competent leader on that day. So guys, I'd like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. See you guys next time. Till I come your winners. Bye for now.